Hello guys, today I will tell you how to cancel your Robinhood Gold subscription in 2025. Let's start.
I'm currently on my iOS device where you might see your gold perks at the top right. If you can't access it from the home screen, I'll demonstrate another method. First, remember that when canceling, you'll retain all gold features until your billing cycle ends. Also, you must pay back any margin balance before cancellation can be completed. Let's navigate to the cancellation page. From the main screen, tap your profile icon at the bottom right, then open the hamburger menu in the top left corner. This brings up your settings menu with various options. Look for the gold icon and tap it to access your gold membership details. Scroll all the way down where you'll see your monthly fee amount and current margin balance. Below this information, you'll find the cancel membership option. Before proceeding, ensure you've paid off any margin balance as this is required for cancellation. The cancellation process is straightforward once these conditions are met. I've created a comprehensive guide on managing your Robinhood account that covers this and other important features.
And that's it guys. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.